Buying your first home is an exciting milestone, and for Rockford homeowners, it's a chance to create a safe, comfortable space that reflects your style. While many first-time buyers focus on paint colors, kitchen upgrades, or new furniture, one essential element often gets overlooked: door installation. Investing in high-quality doors and professional installation can make a significant difference in security, energy efficiency, and long-term home value. Here's why first-time homebuyers in Rockford should make it a priority. Security starts at the door. Your front door is the primary barrier between your home and the outside world. For first-time homeowners, ensuring your family and belongings are safe should be at the top of your list. Quality materials. Solid wood, fiberglass, and steel doors offer superior protection compared to hollow core or outdated models. Professional installation. Even the strongest door won't provide proper security if it's poorly installed. A professional ensures the frame, locks, and hinges are fitted securely, reducing the risk of forced entry. By prioritizing quality installation, Rockford homeowners can rest easy knowing their new investment is well protected. Energy efficiency for Rockford's climate. Rockford experiences cold, snowy winters and warm, humid summers. Drafty or poorly fitted doors can quickly drive up utility bills by letting air escape. High-quality door installation ensures tight seals and weather stripping to block drafts. Proper alignment to prevent gaps. Insulated doors that help maintain indoor temperatures. For first-time buyers working with a budget, reducing monthly heating and cooling costs is a smart way to save money while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Curb appeal and first impressions. Your entry door sets the tone for your entire home. Whether you're welcoming guests or just arriving home after a long day, a well-installed, stylish door makes a strong first impression. Design variety. From classic wood finishes to modern fiberglass options, you can choose a door that matches your style. Professional finish. Proper installation ensures the door fits flush with the frame, creating a polished, inviting look. For first-time homeowners eager to personalize their space, upgrading and installing a high-quality door is one of the easiest ways to boost curb appeal. Durability and long-term value. Buying a home often comes with unexpected expenses, so it's important to choose upgrades that last. A poorly installed door can warp, stick, or crack over time, leading to costly repairs or replacements. With professional installation, your door is built to withstand Rockford's varying weather conditions, from freezing snow to heavy summer rain. This durability not only saves you money in the long run but also adds to your home's resale value if you ever decide to move. Peace of mind. With professional expertise, first-time homebuyers often find themselves juggling multiple new responsibilities. Hiring a professional door installer takes one major task off your plate and ensures the job is done right the first time. Experienced installers can recommend the best door materials for Rockford's climate, handle precise measurements and adjustments, provide warranties for both the product and the installation. This expert guidance gives you confidence that your home is secure, efficient, and stylish from day one. Final thoughts for first-time homebuyers in Rockford. Prioritizing quality door installation is more than just a finishing touch. It's an investment in safety, efficiency, and long-term value. From protecting your family to reducing energy bills and enhancing curb appeal, a professionally installed door sets the foundation for a secure and welcoming home. If you're settling into your first home, don't overlook this important detail. Choosing the right door and working with skilled installers ensures your Rockford home starts off strong, giving you peace of mind and comfort for years to come.